Hi and welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. I'm Jim and today I thought we'd take a look at the new Raimondi mitring machine. It's called the BC45. In the world of large format porcelain tiling, mitres are very demanding and some skilled fixers can do the mitres by hand, but what could be better than having the perfect piece of equipment to do those mitres for you. So we've got an example here of something of the mitre that you can achieve. And I think you'll agree that that mitre is pretty impressive. Now, the great thing about this particular piece of equipment is it can be held freehand and you can literally do any length of mitre you want to do. Obviously the other option is to use the rail system with the razor cutter, but this one allows you to do any length of mitre you want without the rail. So what you get in the box is you get the special mitring blade, you get the clamp for the grinder and all the accessories, the clamp and the instruction manual. So with this equipment you can use either a battery operated grinder or you can use a hardwired one. If you're using the hardwire, we suggest that you use a vacuum system, vacuum cleaner, which goes onto this port here, or if you're using the battery system, again onto this port you can put a water suppression unit, which we can also supply. So that's the equipment as a brief overview. But Raimondi have kindly done their own video showing this piece of equipment in work in progress. So have a look at it and see what you think. I'm sure you'll be impressed. When you've watched the video made by Raimondi, you may also want to consider looking at the razor cutter and the power razor system, which will also do this process but working as a kit in combination with each other.